To grow tomatoes with lots of fruit, the young plants must also be healthy, so I choose seeds that are old and sturdy enough to germinate into young plants. After sowing the seeds, I will spray a little water on the top surface. To make use of the discarded 20-liter cans, I will use them to grow tomatoes on my balcony. I use empty soda bottles as water bottles to water the plants. I drilled a hole and put the wick in so that it sticks out on both sides, so that when I pour water into the bottle, the wick will seep from the water into the soil and the soil will absorb the water for the plant, helping it grow. Growing tomatoes well requires good soil. I mix worm castings and rice husks with the soil to help the soil become looser and more nutritious. In just 5 days, the seeds I sowed have grown into young plants. I will plant them in a 20-liter barrel. After planting, I will put water in the bottle to keep the soil and plants moist. After a few days of planting, the tree will start to take root. I will dig a layer of soil on top to help loosen the soil and prevent weeds from growing. To prevent the plant from lacking nutrients, I will put worm castings directly into the roots to help the plant absorb nutrients faster. I will then cover the top with a layer of soil to help the plant stand firmer and healthier. At this stage, the plant is growing very healthily. Without interrupting the growth process of the plant, I will dig up the topsoil and continue to add worm castings to the base to add more nutrients to the plant, helping the plant grow faster. Then I will put a layer of rice husk on top to help the soil always have good moisture and cool the plants. I will use liquid fertilizer mixed with water to help plants. Liquid fertilizer is fermented for a long time from sea fish. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. At this stage, the tree is flowering and fruiting, so I continue to provide nutrients for the tree by adding worm castings directly to the base. This is the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly. I will take fresh ginger slices mixed with water and spray on the plants. Ginger is very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. It's amazing, just 45 days and the tree I planted now bears a lot of fruit. I will pick it to cook. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.